Hi, I'm Kristen Schroeder. I'm the principal at the American School of Doha. I am talking today a little bit about my use of Class Composer. Every spring, I would have a difficult time scheduling meetings with my teachers, trying to place kids for the following year, and it would take an enormous amount of my time as well as my teachers' time, and it seemed to be menial tasks, counting paper lists over and over again to make sure kids were balanced and make sure that we didn't have kids that shouldn't be together, and that we had all the parent requests managed. And it just seemed a lot of counting over and over and over again. And so I did some research when I was a principal back in the States and found Class Composer as an option and used it at my old school there. It was a miracle, and my time went from around 20 hours or so down to 3. And so it was an incredible time saver for me. Since then, at every school that I've been at, we've implemented it as well, and my staff absolutely loves it. They're able to progress monitor throughout the year. They're able to, at their leisure, rate the kids and make sure that they're all set to go for the meetings. I would highly recommend it. It has been amazing, and if you're looking for a solution for this time of year, I would definitely say give it a try. Ed in the support realm has been awesome. He's taken suggestions. He's really been responsive, even overseas, being able to get within a day or so, he'll respond back to me. Now with the auto downloading and things, my teachers don't even have to put in the data because I'm able to take it from another database and upload it into Class Composer for them. So it's been amazing. So thank you so much.